Meaning of ex-service.
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 Ex-service. Ex-service refers to a person who has previously served in the military but is no longer actively serving. This term is commonly used in reference to veterans, who have completed their military service and returned to civilian life. These individuals may be entitled to certain benefits and services from the government as a result of their time in the military. Additionally, ex-service members may experience difficulty adjusting to civilian life after leaving the military, and may face challenges such as finding employment or dealing with mental health issues such as PTSD.